Driving on California's sunny roads is a dream, but navigating the car insurance market can be a nightmare. Most California drivers are paying over $2,000 a year for car insurance. In fact, the state's average cost for auto insurance coverage is 24% more than the national average. So how can you find dependable car insurance that doesn't break the bank? Well, in this video, we'll share the best car insurance companies in California and give you the steps to take to save the most money possible. Stay tuned to learn about the top insurance options in the Golden State and tuck away some insider secrets along the way. But here's one of the most important takeaways for you for today. If you want to make car insurance shopping a breeze, head over to FreeAdvice.com, where you can compare the lowest rates from the best providers in your zip code with our free quote tool. Okay, let's start with a quick overview of car insurance in the land of milk and honey. California is the third largest state in the country and has 27 million licensed drivers on the road. Thankfully, there are several options for car insurance across the state, but only some of those options have a budget-friendly price tag. When it comes to the cheapest auto insurance companies in California, a few names shine brighter. We've got Progressive, Geico, State Farm, and Mercury Auto Insurance taking the lead. But here's a twist. Insurance rates aren't one size fits all. It's a quickly sliding scale with factors like your age, driving history, and zip code making a huge difference on how much you pay. If you're curious about where your customized car insurance rates will land, visit FreeAdvice.com today. Type in your zip code and you'll get a list of the most affordable insurance options that fit your needs perfectly. It's as simple as that. How much auto insurance coverage do you need in California? That's a question all of you who drive in Cali should know the answer to, so don't miss it. State law mandates that all drivers in California carry bodily injury and property damage liability insurance. In terms of the minimum car insurance required in California, each driver must carry $15,000 per person and $30,000 per accident and bodily injury coverage and $5,000 per accident and property damage liability. But here's the kicker. Just sticking to the minimum coverage might not be the smartest move, even if it's tempting to save you some cash. You see, in a serious accident, those minimums will leave you underinsured and facing hefty bills. It's like walking a tightrope. One wrong move could cost you big time. If you're looking for an easier way to navigate the insurance maze, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Just use our free search tool, type in your zip code, and instantly get matched with car insurance quotes from top providers in your area. As you consider car insurance in California, you need to decide what type of coverage you need. A clean driving record can help keep your rates relatively low, but if you've got a couple tickets or accidents under your belt, brace yourselves for higher rates. First off, you've got to know the basics. Minimum versus full coverage auto insurance. It's like choosing between a regular and a deluxe package. If you're looking to save some cash on your California auto insurance coverage, minimum coverage auto insurance in California is your wallet's best friend. But, insider tip, while you're not obliged to take it, California mandates car insurance companies to offer you uninsured motorist, UM, coverage. You can say no, but it has to be in writing. And there's more. Even though it's the cheapest option, rates for minimum coverage vary pretty drastically between some providers. To find the best rates for car insurance coverage in California, visit FreeAdvice.com and use our quote tool to compare rates today. Minimum coverage auto insurance in California can be affordable if you know what company to choose. Still, the cheapest rates sit right at the U.S. average. Geico offers the cheapest minimum coverage in California with average rates at $33 per month. USAA offers even lower rates at $24 monthly, but you can only purchase coverage with this company if you're affiliated with the military. State Farm is next, with rates at $35 each month. Liberty Mutual offers minimum coverage for $70 monthly, which makes this provider the most expensive option on our list. In fact, you could save $444 a year by choosing Geico over Liberty Mutual for insurance coverage in California. See how important it is to compare quotes? It is the only way to know if you found the best deal. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and use our free quote generator to see how much you can save. You will get a customized list of the lowest rates from providers near you. While minimum coverage can help you save money, if your car has a loan or a lease, or if your vehicle is something you can't easily replace, full coverage is your go-to. It's like wrapping your car in a cozy insurance blanket, but it does come at a higher cost. Full coverage auto insurance in California includes liability, comprehensive, collision, uninsured motorist, and medical payments. It's the whole package, offering top-notch protection for your ride, but of course, it's pricier than minimum coverage. So how much are full coverage rates in California? It depends on the insurance company. Let's take a closer look. The rates for full coverage car insurance in California have a wide price range. One of your most affordable options for California full coverage car insurance is Geico, with a monthly rate at just $101. At an even lower price point is USAA, where the monthly rate drops to a remarkable $74. But USAA only insures military members and their families. There are even pricier options like Liberty Mutual with a monthly rate at $216. Check out that price difference. You can save $1,380 a year just by choosing Geico over Liberty Mutual. As you can see, comparing quotes is a must to finding the best deals. Don't waste time hunting down quotes one by one. Visit FreeAdvice.com today. With our free quote generator, you can instantly compare rates from top providers. Try it out. I bet you'll be surprised at how much you can save. Now that you have the breakdown of your coverage level options and average rates by provider, it's time to make a decision on which car insurance company gets the gold medal in the Golden State. The 3 best auto insurance companies in California are Geico, Progressive, and State Farm. Here's what sets them apart. Geico makes it easy to manage your policy online with a strong J.D. Power rating of 830 out of 1,000 and the highest possible AM Best rating of A++. They're on top of their game. And the average annual premium for full coverage in Cali, a cool $1,212. For the best discounts, check out Progressive. They have an impressive AM Best rating of A+, and J.D. Power gives them 809 out of 1,000. But it will cost you a bit more for a year of full coverage in California at $1,854. If you prefer local agencies, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Like Geico, State Farm also got the highest possible AM Best rating, and their J.D. Power score is a solid 826. Plus, the annual cost for full coverage in California is a very affordable $1,296. Start your search with FreeAdvice.com's free search tool to see which companies offer the best deals in your zip code. And there we have it, California drivers. We hope our video helps you find the best coverage at the lowest rates. But remember, rates are based on many personalized factors. To make your car insurance shopping hassle-free, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Use our free search tool, enter your zip code, and unlock a world of tailored options that meet your needs and fit your budget. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to get a list of the lowest customized rates. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and hit that like button so we can help more people find the best deals. And you'll want to subscribe to our channel for more insider advice on how to save on your insurance. Also, please drop a comment below if you've had any experience with the provider we discussed today. Or maybe you can share how you save money on your Cali coverage. Your feedback could be a huge help to someone that's about to start their search. While you're on our channel, be sure to check out our Progressive car insurance review. There you can find how you can snag a 7% discount just by getting an online quote. Do you know someone in California? If they found lower rates, this video could help them save hundreds of dollars this year. Share this video with them. It might help them find their dream coverage, and you'll be a hero for showing them the way. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and stay insured.